Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Cleopatra-inspired Halloween look. If you want to see how I made this happen, please keep watching. So let's get started. I'm going to start with putting concealer all over my eye and then setting it with setting powder. Now I'm going to use my Party Animal Laura Lee palette, and I'm going to use a blending brush and use the color Damage Control. I'm going to put it in the crease of my eye and blend it outwards. I'm also going to extend it out past my eyebrow to just make it seem like my eye is so much longer. Now I'm going to use that same blending brush and I'm going to dip it into Karaoke to get a deeper blue shade. I'm going to put it again in my transition area and blend it upwards. Next, I'm going to use my Jaclyn Hill palette and dip into this color right here. Put that in that same transition area and blend out. Now I'm going to use a flat eyeliner brush to outline my crease and clean it up with some concealer. And as I did with my eyeshadow, I'm going to wing it out. So now that I have outlined exactly what I want removed, I'm going to take a Q-tip and some Garnier Micellar water, and I'm going to take off all of the concealer and the makeup that's under it so that I have a clean surface to start off with again. Now to add some depth, I'm going to grab my Jaclyn Hill palette again and grab a pencil brush and go into this shade right here and put it right along where I have the line. Okay, so I'm thinking that that's not dark enough, so I'm gonna go in with this brown instead. Now I'm going to grab a blending brush and I'm going to blend that outwards and up towards the blue. So now that we have added the brown, we're gonna go back in and clean up the line again. Okay, so now that we are back to having clean eyelids, we're gonna put concealer on again and set it with some more setting powder. I'm going to use my Jaclyn Hill palette and grab that same brown that I used in the crease of my eye, put it on the outer corners and inner corner of my eye. Now I'm going to go back into my Jaclyn Hill palette and use this color and put it in the middle portion of my lid. I'm also going to use the gold shimmer and put that in the center of my eye as well. I'm also going to go back in with the blue from the Jaclyn Hill palette and put it in between the brown and the gold. Okay, so I'm deciding to have the gold from the inner corner of my eye all the way to the outer. So I'm going to add some more gold now. So now we're going to clean up the cut crease again. So now that the crease is done, I'm going to clean up the outer edges of my eye with a paper towel and micellar water. Now I'm going to grab an under eye eyeshadow brush and use the blue to put under my eye. I'm also going back in with Damage Control from the Laura Lee palette, and I'm going to use that to kind of blend out the blue that I just put under my eye. For bottom liner, I'm going to use L'Oreal's True Teal pencil, and I'm going to put it on my inner waterline. So now I'm done with my eyes other than my mascara and my eyelashes. I'm going to clean up this mess that I have on my face with all the fallout and do my foundation. Now I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and conceal my under eyes, chin, and forehead. I'm going to blend that out with a damp beauty blender. Now I'm going to set that with translucent powder. I did my eyebrows off camera. I did them a little more intense and thicker than I normally do, and I also brought them in a little more for the purpose of this look. So now I'm going to use my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I'm going to bronze up my entire face. Now I'm going to use my Pure Midnight Masquerade palette. I'm going to mix this color and this one. The coral one is called Hidden Secret, and the brownish gold one is called Enchantment. For highlight, I'm going to use the Desi and Katie Chasing the Sun. I'm going to put some of that on the inner corner of my eye and my brow bone. Finally gonna get back to my lashes and use my Milk Mascara and then pop on some lashes. To finish off the look, the lips. I'm going to use a Dose of Colors. I don't know if it's a gloss or a velvet, I can't remember, but it's called My Main. I think it's a gloss. To keep going with the gold look, I'm going to use a Dose of Colors Gold Shimmer Gloss over top this color. And this is the completed look.